Madam Peku right here, okay? And then we are right here in the office, and then I'm here to show you some of the available plots that we have in New Banana Highland. You know that in New Banana Highland, there are a lot of estates, okay, in New Banana Highland. And some of the estates, Joseph Estate, Bessie Estate, Mary Estate, Tom Estate, we have them. Primrose Court, there are many. So among them, I'll show you some of the plans here so that you know the plots that we have available, okay? And I'm specifically doing this video for you and also for one of my wonderful clients, Madam Peace. Yes, so Madam Peace, I know you're watching this, and I'm showing you so that you can make your choice out of these ones, okay? So you can see, can you see this estate, small estate with this number of plots plan? You can see this particular one. Okay, okay, I'm showing you so that you know that it's available. You can make your choice. I'll snap it and send to you immediately. Then we have another one. Okay, can you see this plan? Oh, sorry, can you see this plan? Okay, yeah, as you can see, this particular plan, it's available. This particular number of plots is available. You can make your choice out of it. But Mary Estate is sold out. And don't forget that New Banana Highland is now 7 million naira per plot. It's no longer 6 million naira. So get that into your score. As they shout 6 million, since it's 7 million. And the next price you go here, no surprise say it will be 10 million. So because the thing will do jumpology. Yeah, so you go do jumpology. So what do you need to now to quickly call Madam Peku, aka Madam Good News, aka Madam Dollars, on 0903429651 to get your own plot of New Banana Highland. And then for you now, here I did.